Good morning to everyone. Today we will have the revision of exercise 14.3 from chapter number 14, factorization. So here the question number 1, it says that carry out the following division. Carry out the following division, it means you have to divide the number. How to divide the number? Suppose 4 is divided by 2. Then how to divide 4 by 2? 4 will be goes in the table of 2 how many times? 2 times, and 2 goes in the table of 4 how many times? 2 times. So in the same way we are going to divide the algebra part. Okay, in the mathematics algebras are also going to be divided. So dear student, here is the question we are having, that is 28 x to the power 4 will be divided by 56x. Okay, will be divided by 56x. So you can directly divide it. Suppose how to divide, that is 28x to the power 4 divided 56x. Okay, so 28x to the power 4 upon 56x can we divide. So here 1x from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. How many x are left? X to the power 3 is left, because x to the power 4 can be written as x into x into x into x. That's why 1 x will be get cancelled. Okay, in the same way we are going to cancel this 28 in the table of 2 how many times? 1 and 4. Here 56 will get cancelled how many times? 5, that means 2 times, and 6 1 will be carry 8 times. Okay, 14 will be again get cancelled by the table of 2 7 times, and 28 will get cancelled by the table of 7 how many times? 1 time and 4 times. Now again 7 upon 14 will get cancelled 1 upon how many times? 7 1 is 7 and 7 2 is 14. So what is the answer left out over here? The answer will be 1 by 2x to the power 3 is the answer for the first. Clear everyone? Look the solution. In this way you have to divide. Either you can use this method which is being given over here, that extend that numbers as LCM. 28 LCM will be how much? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 7 it will be 28. In the same way 56 LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. That means we had find out the factors of those numbers. Okay, after finding the factors of those numbers we had written in the form of divide and get divided. So both the way you can use whichever method you feel easy. Okay, in the same way we are having next 9y square will be divided by 36 y to the power 3 will be divided by 9 square. So 36 and 9 will be get cancelled by that the table of 3 itself. 3 into 3 will be 9, and 36, that is 1 and 2. So 1 12 upon 3 is left out, and here 2 y into y into y upon y into y. So 2y will be get cancelled, only 1y will be left out. So 3 ones are and 3 fours are. So what is the answer over here? That is 4y. Since here minus 36 is present, so minus sign will be present in the answer. So what will be the answer for that? That is minus 4y. Clear student? So in this way you have to solve all the questions. It's a revision class, that's why we are not going in a very deep way. Okay, here the last question again I will solve and show you. That is 34 x to the power 3 y to the power 3 z to the power 3 upon 34 x to the power 3 y to the power 3 z to the power 3. So dear student, here you can see that the power, again I had written, no, not that question. The question repeated in the numerator and denominator, but the question is 34 x to the power 3 y to the power 3 z to the power 3 upon 551 x y square z cube. So z cube will cancel. Here y square will get cancelled, only one y will be left. Okay, since y cube it is present in the numerator and y square is present in the denominator, that's why. Now here x cube is present in the numerator and x is present in the denominator, so what will be left? That is x square is left. Now we can cancel the number, isn't it? Since cancelling the number, that is which number we have to cancel the number? That is 31, not 31, it is 34 upon 51. This is the number, and y square x square y is left. Can we write it first again? That is, the number is 34, isn't it? 34 upon 51 and x square y. So cancel the number. Okay, you while cancellation, what you will get, that is 2 by 3 x square y. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to do the solution.